Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to all my pupils. I hope you are doing well at home. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, praise to Allah, we have completed the syllabus for this year. So starting from today, we are going to do revisions or latih to be. Okay, SPM. We call it SPM practice. So we are going to do paper by paper. We start from paper 1, reading. Okay, part 1. Okay, so for today, I'm going to give you 2 exercises on short text. Okay, each exercise consists of 8 questions. That means, okay, you have to answer 16 questions, okay, which carry 16 marks. Okay, so the questions are multiple choice. Okay, there are 3 options, A, B and C. Okay, first, when you want to attempt these questions, make sure you read the question first. Okay, then you study the text, the short text given carefully. Later, you need to choose the correct answer. Okay, whether it is A, B or C. So here are the questions, including the pictures as well, and the photos are in color to make it more attractive to you. Okay, so for introductory practice, okay, you have 8 questions. Then after you are done with introductory practice, you attempt or you do practice 1. And for practice 1, there are also 8 questions. Okay, please, okay, type your email, your name and your class, then answer the questions, okay, one after another until you are done. There are 16 questions. My advice is one question is to be completed in 15 minutes. So you have half an hour or 30 minutes to answer both exercises. Okay, I hope everything is clear because okay, the questions comes with answers options. You need to pick the correct one. So that's all for now. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.